Alright, students, sorry. In my next tutorial, I'll explain the remaining, the section 1, where is that is here. The section 1, section 2, section 3 are already done. So in this part, I'm looking at section 1. Right, we are going in a reverse way. In my video, I'm going in a reverse way. Whichever the way you want to watch the video, you can go ahead with that. So let's go on to the next part. Okay, now this is what I said I will do you in the classroom. But anyway, I'm going to do now. Again, when you come back in the classroom, we'll look into this again, okay? Or if you're watching a video tutorial somewhere in the future, then we have already done this. You can have a recap. Okay. Task 1, organizing your work, 3 marks. A. Create the folder and subfolder structure shown below to organize and save your files. Your tutor will show you where to store your folder in OneDrive, students, in OneDrive. Okay, so you already know how to create a folder, which we have done in the classroom in the beginning of the course when you came back to do level 1 with me, digital. So, but anyway, let's do it again. What you do is you go into this file part. If you go in there, if you click on this part, the folder, and then if you go into OneDrive, then you can create a folder in here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on this and then new folder. I'm going to give the name to this folder as digital. Sometimes students, what you do is when you right click new folder, you just press enter. Oh, teacher, I did not give the name. No worries. What you can do is you can just right click on the new folder. You choose a rename, delete this, and then you can give a folder digital. But I already have a folder named digital, so I'm not going to worry about that. But in case if you do a mistake like that, you can rename the folder. Right, rename the folder there. Okay, digital. Now this is the parent folder or the source folder, digital. Under this digital folder, you have to click, you have to do 5 more uh, subfolders. One, two, three, four, five. First folder, let's make it devices. Go back there, right click, new folder, and give the file name as devices. Students, you have to be sure, okay? OneDrive digital. Under digital, you're making subfolder like a children, like subfolders, children folders. Devices, we are done. Again, we need another folder. Right click, new folder. New folder, what's the file name? Editing. So new folder, again you see I made a mistake, not mistake, it happens. I click on rename, it called editing, press enter, that's fine. The third one is communicating. I go here, right click, new folder, so that will be my communicating. That's done. And the next folder, transacting. Right click, new folder, transacting. That's done. Then next folder, e-safety. Okay, so right click, new folder. um, what was that? Sorry, forgot the name. E-safety, e-safety, right click, rename, e-safety. Okay, that's it, done. You see now under the folder digital, if you go back to your OneDrive now, you see, and under the folder digital, double click on it, you have these file subfolders. Right, let's see now what's next question we created. Now take a screenshot of the folder structure, which must show all the folders and subfolders, and paste it into a document. Name it folders and save it in your devices folder. So now you need to take a screenshot because they need to see the evidence of what you have done. So what I can do is I can maximize it. Now you must go to OneDrive, double click on digital. So I need to see that digital as well as these folders. Press print screen on the keyboard. I pressed it now. Press print screen on the keyboard. Open a Word document. I have already a document opened, blank document, and then just paste it. Okay, not magic, just paste it. And here you have to save it as, name it folders and in your devices. Go back to the document where you just present, press the screenshot, save this file, save as. You clicked on. Sorry, where am I going? Oh no, mine stopped responding. Let's give it 2 seconds. Okay, save as, good. Save as. Double click on OneDrive because that's where you saved it, and saved as, whereas far as OneDrive is here, and then digital, double click on it, and then in devices you will do it in devices, double click on devices, and here give the file name as folders. If you get confused, student, just go back to the question again, go back to the question and read your question and name it folders and save it in your devices. That's it. Don't worry too much. Okay, and then yes, folders, devices, you have digital, devices, and folders, and then you click on save. File is saved. Now what they need to see the evidence that you have done it. So file upload, just like the way you attach your files, click on choose file, then go back to your OneDrive, double click on digital. Where did you save? Under devices folder. So double click on devices folder and then file name folders. There you go. The file is attached. The only new thing that you are doing in the exam is you're reading the question on the computer, not on a paper, and you're uploading the file. That's the only new thing, but anyway, you're practicing now. But other than that, the folders or subfolders, it's all done in your classroom. Okay. Next, after that, I'm going to the next question. Create a cover letter. Task 2. Creating a cover letter, 11 marks. You're looking for a job and want to create a digital cover letter to send it to the potential employees. If you remember, we have done this task in the classroom as well. Download the files, letter, contact, and signature. Use a suitable application to insert all the text from the letter to create a cover letter. Where are these files? Letter, contact, and signature. It's here, down there. Letter. It's here. Letter, contact, signature. All you have to do is just click on it, and when you click on it, it downloads open file. Okay. Look. Now I'm going to copy this. I would like to apply for the position of the Gateway College website. Okay. I right click, copy that. I'll open a Word document because I'm doing a cover letter. Word document is more suitable. File, new, blank document, and I'm going to paste it here. There you go. Highlighted, copied, and pasted. Next. Okay, arrange the text into suitable paragraphs. Now, if you notice, everything is one big block of text. Make into suitable paragraphs. What can make a graph? Let's read this now. I would like to apply the position advertised on the Gateway College website. I'm confident that my experience and abilities are an excellent match for the job. I'm comfortable working in a fast paced working. Okay. I have a previous meeting company targeted objectives. That can be one paragraph. Okay. Break the paragraph. Read it properly, please. I have a wide range of digital abilities and can cause a range of devices, software, and apps. I have excellent verbal and written communication abilities and can search and use information to find workable solutions. Okay, let's make break another paragraph here, because if it is a one big block of paragraph, the people will lose interest in reading it. My organizational and planning abilities are first class, and I always meet project milestones and deadlines. I believe I'm confident and trustworthy and a committed team member who is known to go to the extra mile. That's fine. We can break another paragraph in there. There you go. I broke into one, two, three, four different paragraphs. Students, this is your general knowledge. Here I can't help much. Is you need to read it and you got to do this. Go, go, go. 1 minute, students. 1 minute. Just give me a break. It's just there. Yes, please. Yeah, that's all. That's all. Sorry, my son wanted me for some reason. We are in a break. We are in Cyprus, and I'm still doing the video tutorial. Well, anyway, hope you'll make use of this. Okay, arrange the text. Now, see, find five instances of the word abilities and replace it with word skills. Skills, skills, skills. Now, we need to find and replace abilities with skills, okay? Abilities, there is one word, and then, okay, instead of that, what I can do is, you see this option of replace under home, you can replace that word. Replace, what you're replacing? Abilities, replace with skills. Type skills and click on replace. Be careful with the spelling, students, otherwise it will not replace. See, five replacements are made. That was a quick way of doing it, okay? And then you can just close it. You will find it under the option replace. I'm sorry. If, sorry for a break there. Okay. Now adjust the left and right margins to 2 centimeters. You'll find the margins here, where we'll find the margins layout. Left, if you click layout, left and right, you just have to type 2 there. That's it. Left and the right margin to 2 centimeters. I think my son is super annoyed with me. Right, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and press enter. Okay, that's it. That's all. Two. You see the 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters. That's what it is. That's all you do. Left and the right margins, you'll find under the layout. Next, adjust the line spacing to 1.5 lines. We have done this. I have covered it. I'm sure I've done that. If you don't remember, this will be required. 1.5 centimeter line space. Highlight it. If you click home and the line space, you remember this line space here. If you click on this, and then you can make 1.5. That's all. Then we did that. Insert the image contact in an appropriate place. Contact is here. Click on contact and then open file. Blank, why is coming blank? There, contact. All you have to do is right click, copy the image. What do you think? Which is the most suitable place for it? Bottom. I'll just find it. Yours sincerely. Yeah, I'll just place it at the bottom for now. Let's see. Cut. Okay, if the image is too big, if it doesn't fit in the same page, reduce its size, click on it, make it small or big or anything as such. Okay, now see, all I'm doing is I'm reading the instructions and doing it. Add an enhancement effect to the image. Enhancement effect to the image. How do you do it? Either you can go to picture format, add a border to it. Here, if you see here, you can go here and you can select nice border for that, this border or this, whichever the border you like. That's an enhancement effect. Or there is color option. You can choose the color option, or you can choose artistic effects. Just to keep it simple, students, I'm just going to add the border. That's enough. Now, okay, uh, that I did. H, move the text to whom it may concern so it appears before the first paragraph. You see this? You might be wondering, oh, why this is whom it concerns is here. It's here. There. Highlight it, move it, cut it, or you can drag and drop it, cut it, and then about the first paragraph, bring that down a bit, and then you can paste it. There you go. And then if there's too much of gap, bring it up. Now let's read the question again. Uh, it appears before the first paragraph. Move the date into the header at the top left of the document. Date in the header. There is date here. Date. Cut it. Header on the top left. Top left. Which is top left? This is top left. In the header, double click there, and then under home, paste it. That's it. And then you just click on the document. Insert your full name into the footer. Footer means bottom of the page. Footer is here. Footer is Footer is bottom of the page. Insert your full name. I'm doing my name. You do your name. Okay. Uh, Insert image signature in the appropriate place. Where is signature? It's here. Click on that. Open file. Okay. Now right click on the image. Copy. And then what you do next? You go and it's the under signature. Yours sincerely. Under that, the signature should go below. Place it under that. There you go. That's your signature. Okay. Right. That's done. Save the letter in your editing folder and name it cover letter. Cover letter. So under you have to save it under editing folder. You remember we created that file. Save as. Double click on OneDrive and you go into OneDrive. Double click on digital folder. You see this option of editing? Click on editing and then, sorry, forgot the file name now. See, then you can just refer it. Name it cover letter. So name it, where was I? Ah, cover letter, not whom it may concern. They have given the file name. Please name it like that, cover letter, and you click on save. There you go. I saved it. Make sure whether you have like okay contacts. I'm just going to leave it at that page. Contacts image there. Okay. Right, let's go back to the question. Now upload the file by clicking choose file. Now the same thing, choose file, upload it. Now going to OneDrive, we saved it in digital folder. That was editing, cover letter. There you go, file is uploaded. If you're having any problem with the uploading and everything, I might give you a little guidance in that. No worries, okay? Right, now, next few questions, you have to write your answers. You want to communicate your cover letter to potential employers. A. What type of digital communication would you choose to ensure potential employers to receive your cover letter? How will I communicate? Digital communication. Email. Students, we all use email. You're not going to contact via Facebook or any other social media. So, yeah, you email. Give two reasons for your choice. Reason one, why did you choose email? Because emails are emails can act as official documents. Reason two, why? You have a you can see that you can receive reply, receive i.e. we receive reply. Is that it? Also, one more look at my spelling. Please make sure you check your spelling. Receives, right click and check it. And also, you have a sent folder where you have sent folder in email. In email, you can see all the email that you have sent, so it can act as official document. All right. Okay. Oh, sorry, students. My son is bored. He's sitting. He's on my shoulders. Sorry, guys. I'm just going to take a few more minutes, please. Just he wants to say something to you all.
No, 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 no.
Okay, just a few more questions, please. Yeah. Number four. We are doing number four. See, look at the two social media posts. Which one would you choose if you were looking for a job? Okay. Which one would you choose if you were looking? Please, can I send my CV to apply for a job? I have an eye for detail, great team player, and was a junior marketing assistant coordinator for a Sandy Food festival. I can start immediately. Hashtag new job. Hi everyone. I'm in desperate need for a new career because I don't like my boss. Looking for work, so get in touch. God, definitely not these students. Please check this one. Okay. Yes. Then you go to next. Okay. Now this is your internet question. You want to search for a new job as a web designer. Use read.co.uk to search for a job as a web designer in Manchester. Apply field. Okay, fine. Let's do one thing. Use first thing first. Use read.co.uk to search job for web designer in Manchester. So I'm going to go here. Or first open my website. I'll type read.co.uk and then I'll open that website and here what I want. Like oh, these are all the cookies students. Yes, I accept. And I want web designer post and here where do I want it? I want it in, they have told me to get it in Manchester. Okay, it looks like everybody likes Manchester. Right, search jobs. So I'll click on search jobs. Fine, I searched there are lots of jobs, guys. This is something to look for career. Okay, think about it. Apply filters so only permanent full-time positions are listed with the minimum salary 20,000. Permanent full-time. Permanent filters are here. Okay, right. From one for permanent full-time and salary from 20,000. So salary range from minimum is 20,000. You can go up to any other. Okay, so that's it. You clicked on those. Now let's go back to the question. Now, okay, take a screenshot of your results. See, I got the results. Um, the lead web graphic designer, 40,000 per annum, is somewhere in Manchester, in Milnshaw. This is in Manchester. Okay, this is Stockport, maybe somewhere in Manchester. So elderly age, somewhere in Manchester, Manchester. Right now, you need to take a screenshot. Again, students, screenshots. What screenshot? Press print screen. Open your Word document, a new document, and then press paste. There you go. Finally, read the question again. Next question. See now how I've opened so many tabs. It's here, somewhere here. Is this the one? No, I'm gonna. I don't want that. I need that for later on. I'm gonna keep it. So, is this the one? Yes. So, think it's there. It's all on internet. Paste your screenshot into your document. Name it job search and save it in your devices folder. Okay. Job search. Job search. Job search. Is this one? Yeah. Job search. File. Save as. You have to save it in that folder that you did, digital, under OneDrive. OneDrive, you created a source folder, digital, and then you have to save it under editing. I forgot. Where was that? Where should we save it? Under devices, name it as job search. Okay. Devices, double click on devices, and here you have to save it as job search. Job search, and then you click on save. Okay, that's done. Now I have to upload the file. Click on choose file. I'll go back to my OneDrive. I go back to parent source folder digital. I saved it in devices. I'm just going to double click on devices and then job search. There you go. That's done. Did I see? If I don't do one question, it comes up as number 4. I didn't do that. So let's see. What was it? Huh. Give one reason for choice. I forgot to write that. Give one reason for choice. Why? Why do you think? Formal application is more formal than the second choice. More formal letter. Okay, that's that, and then that's why students here. Okay, if it is done, you give it as blue. It comes as blue. 6. Now, okay, next 6 one. Right. Use online services and managing account preferences. 9 mark. You need to set up a monthly direct debit to pay for your council tax. A. Download the council tax below and use it to enter your account preferences. Okay. Right. Now let me download that council tax below. Click on it and open file. My file is somewhere here. Okay, this is my council tax bill. Let me read the question now. Let me go back to the question. Question is somewhere here. Property reference number, right? Council tax bill is here. Property reference number. It's the, just going to highlight that. Control C copy, and then I'm going to Control V paste or right click paste. Postcode of property. Postcode of property is this here, right? E24 1BG or E24. Right click on it. Right click on. Right click. Oh, it does. Control C is good for my students. Whichever you like. Control. If you press Control C, hold on to Control and press C to paste. Control. Hold on to the Control and press V. There, like that. How do you like to pay your bill? Let's see. Reason for bill, new liability, anyway. Anyway, council. How do you like to pay? To make it easy, you can pay direct debit over the phone or in person. Right, direct debit or over the person. Or let's see, there's weekly, monthly, and all those things. You will need your property and postcode code account number. Several ways you can play. Okay, whichever way you want to play, you can pay.
Are
Okay.
you almost done?
Yes, I'm done. Yeah, I'm just going to click on direct debit monthly. How would we like us to contact? Telephone, email, whichever. If you like, you can choose any of these options, and then or read that. Read the see the text number. Okay, okay, that's fine. Yeah, done.
There you go.
How about
Uh,
give me? I'm
when
done.
are you done?
In 2 minutes, done. Then enter the account details on the card to set up the direct debit account number. Account number is here, right? 761235549, sort code 101314. Copy this details, so it's not your student, not your details, okay? Please copy the details that is given to you. And then go to next. When using online services, identify two ways you can check that a website is secure: padlock and HTTPS. Most importantly, okay? Padlock, HTTPS, right? Right, and that's it. Then next, you see now progress is 100%. Then you can finish the test, but please make sure you show it to the teacher, and then you can finish the test once you're done, and then you give it for marking. Check your double check, triple check, and then you do your finish the test. The finished test is you have not attempted of all the question in this test. Would you like to finish the test? Cancel. Okay. See that. Check what you have not attempted. Check what have you not done. Read the question again, or then you can click on finish test. Okay, guys. If you click on 1 minute, something. If everything is blue, okay, check it all. Finish test, and your test will be completed. But make sure you attempt all the questions and do that. Right, that's it. I'm going to stop my video recording. You stop my recording now.